Is Google Chrome crashing randomly on your Windows PC? I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it. Step 1. Restart Chrome and your PC. Close all Chrome windows. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager and make sure no Chrome processes are running. Restart your PC and open Chrome again. Step 2. Clear cache and cookies. Open Chrome, then click the three dots, Settings, Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files, then click Clear Data. Step 3. Disable extensions. Type Chrome://extensions in the address bar. Turn off all extensions, especially ad blockers or VPNs, which often cause crashes. Reload Chrome and see if it works. Step 4. Update Chrome. Click the three dots, Help, then About Google Chrome. If an update is available, Chrome will automatically download it. Click Relaunch after the update. Step 5. Reset Chrome settings. Go to Settings, then Advanced, then Reset and Clean Up, then Restore settings to their original defaults. Click Reset Settings. This fixes configuration issues causing crashes without deleting bookmarks or passwords. That's it. Chrome should now stop crashing and run smoothly. Like and subscribe for more fast PC, browser, and app fixes.